So hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am showing if you guys facing bad gateway, the web server reported a bad gateway error problem or 503 service temporary unavailable error problem when you opening your Chatgpt. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why this problem is coming in your Chatgpt and how to fix this error problem. So guys, watch this video till end. If you guys facing this error problem, so guys, firstly you have to watch this graph. The red line is at the up and these red line shows how many people are facing this problem in Chatgpt today. The red line is at the up. It means today many people facing the problem in OpenAI or Chatgpt. So guys, what you have to do? So guys, if many people facing this problem in Chatgpt, so this is the server issue. It means you have to wait for some time. You have to wait for some minute or an hour, and this problem will automatically fixed by the OpenAI team. Do like this video? Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.